Going to be diving into part 2 of my income tax strategy mini-series. How do the rich always seem to minimize their tax liabilities? I'm Danny Ray, the Mindful CPA, and give me a comment and a like below if you're interested in learning about more strategies to minimize your tax liability. Ever wonder what a tax loophole really is? Let's demystify it right now. Tax loophole is just a gap or an ambiguity in the tax code. It can be exploited legally to reduce your tax liability. Sound complicated? Well, let me break it down with some examples. Let's talk about real estate depreciation. Investors in a property can deduct the wear and tear of the property over time. That's called depreciation expense, even when the value of the property is increasing. Deduction reduces taxable income significantly. It's not a cash outlay. There's no payment for depreciation. It's just an expense you get to take because the tax code says you can. Second, let's talk about carried interest. Now, this one's a favorite in the finance world. It allows hedge fund managers to pay taxes on their income at the capital gains rate instead of the higher ordinary income tax rate. Ordinary income would be like a salary that your job pays you. So that's why you're always hearing about how ordinary Americans are taxed higher than the wealthy, because the wealthy are the ones getting a lot of their income from carried interest. A third example is like-kind exchanges. This is also known as a 1031 exchange. This allows investors to just swap properties without immediately having to pay taxes on the related capital gain. It's a huge tax deferral strategy. Now that just means they're pushing the taxes down the line. Think about how long that they could take advantage of that type of strategy. Strategies don't necessarily have to be just for the wealthy. That's why I'm always preaching that you need to focus on your net worth instead of your regular ordinary income. Take your regular ordinary income and start making investments in the stock market and in properties. It doesn't take a ton of money to be able to start investing. Shift your mindset to one that focuses on building up your assets and assets that pay you passive income. Understanding these types of tips can help you make smarter financial decisions. Flip the script and not let these just be advantages for the wealthy. Ordinary people like us can become extraordinary. Don't forget to hit the follow button. I'll be providing you with more tax strategies and how to build your wealth. I'm Danny Ray, the Mindful CPA, and I'm doing my best to help you live your financial life the mindful way. Remember, education plus action is power. See you in the next video.